Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 1. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. I can do all my laboratory courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. If you need help in any assignments, any cumulative assessment, capstone assignment, or simulation exam help, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete my Lab IT Pearson course. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do each and everything myself. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will go to my lab at Pearson and go to Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 1. Okay, we will open our assignments and please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Economics, Java, Math courses, Macroeconomics and Calculus courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email if you need help in any course. So our training will be open right now and click on launch button. So it's opening and I will do step by step. Question number 1, type souvenirs program in cell A8. We will click on cell A8. In the formula bar, we will type souvenir proms. Okay, so select cell A1 and then spell check the worksheet. When promoted, change the misspelling of souvenir to souvenir. So we will click on cell A1, go to the review tab and go to the proofing group, click on spelling button. So click on change all. Okay, spell check complete, you are good to go. Okay, question number 1 is done. So moving on question number 2. In question number 2, enter 101 in cell B5 and then click the enter check mark. Simply, we will click on cell B5. In the formula bar, we will enter 101. Okay, you can read this question and please follow my video. Click on cell B5. In the formula bar, we will enter 101. So the next point, use the fill handle to copy the value from cell B5 to the cells B6 through cell B10. Okay, B6 through cell B10, use fill handle to copy the value from cell B5 to the cells B6 through cell B10. B6 through B10. Okay. Use fill option to change the value to a series. Okay, we will click on fill option button. So we will click on fill series check box, circle box. Okay, we will click on fill series circle box. So question number 2 is done. So the question number 3 is that, okay, I just show you 2 questions out of 4 questions. What I have done, this complete simulation training for my student. Now I am going to submit this simulation training and I will show my grade which I have got in this simulation training. If you need help in this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do this complete course and complete training for you with A plus grade. I just show you 2 questions in my video, but I have done this complete training for my one student. Now I am click submit the assignment. Please click OK to submit the assignment. Click on OK button. Okay, so I will show my grade. Go to my lab Pearson and go to assignments. Okay, you can see I have got 100% grade out of 100. 4 points out of 100. Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 1. So please, if you need help in this training, contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with a plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much. Next, I will start Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 2 in my next video. This video is completed. I just show you 2 questions out of 4 questions. If you need complete solution of this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with a plus grade. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.